everyone, Sharon here from Leader Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas wreath decoration out of scraps of material. Let's begin. Okay, this is what the scrappy material wreath looks like. I'm just going to pop that down. You'll need some scraps of fabric cut into strips. Now in the kit it will come with scraps of fabric you will need to cut up into strips. You'll need some rings. Again, in the kit there'll be a ring. If not, you can get them from a craft shop or a $2 shop. Now what you need to do is you need to grab a strip of material. Now we're going to tie it where you get, I'm going to do this on an icy pole stick so you can see it easy. It's hard to see on the ring. So you get a loop, then you bring the ends back up, and pull them through so they look like that. Now we're going to start making the wreath. This will take some time. Just take your time with it. It is quite easy. That's the first one. As you're doing it, don't forget to pull them tight. Don't be worried if they're all different lengths because we'll trim it off at the end. Pushing them around like I've been doing. I'm just going to put a couple more on. Just remember, the more you stick on, the more you can put on, the better it looks. I'm going to stop there. Now the last couple of things I need to do. One is I might just want to trim the edges off a little bit so that they're not quite also, just so they're a little bit more even, although it doesn't matter if they're not really even. It is a scrappy fabric one, so they can be a little bit uneven. I'm just going to leave it at that. Oh, hang on, a few more. It's a really good way of using up old fabric. It's a fabric, very small pieces. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece of wool through. So I'm going to take it through as a loop. No, I'm going to not do that. I'm just going to take it through and then tie it into a loop. Will be easier. And you could use ribbon. Ribbon will look a bit nicer. In the kits, we will have ribbon in the kits. I'm just going to use wool because that's what I've got here at the moment. So I'm just going to tie it and I'm going to create a loop. Like so, and just trim the top. And that's a very simple, quite easy decoration to make. I hope you enjoyed making that wreath decoration. I'll see you next time. Bye!